One of the best ways to get started in Christmas lights is to consider the starter bundle, which is basically your business in a box, or in this case, business on a shelf. These are the main products you'll most likely consume for your first 10 homes, generating about $25,000 in revenue. We have one order going out today, so I thought I'd show you what we've got inside each order. Obviously, the first thing is the bulbs. This customer has ordered the option with the C9 bulbs. You can swap them for G30 bulbs if you want, and they've chosen all warm white. Again, you can change any color if you find that the multicolor is more popular in your area. We're happy to switch those out in these bundles. We also got mini lights. This is an amazing upsell on homes, and they go obviously in trees. This customer has chosen the option with coaxial watertight plugs. They make the lights more durable and are great for particularly wet climates. You'll need one of these adapters for each tree that you installed the coaxial plug mini lights on. For the wire accessories, obviously these bulbs need wire when they go into the home, and there are 4 spools included. Again, if you live in an area where it's, say, mostly brown wire, we're happy to switch those out. This person has chosen 2 black and 1 spool of white wire. These are using SPT2 cable. And of course, the extension cable is important, and there's 2 rolls. We've got one of black and one of white, so that you can run that wire across the property and keep it nice and discreet. Again, if you want to switch it out for green, you're more than welcome to do that. The wire that goes onto the homes, of course, need clips, and we've included some clips on here as well. We've got white ones and black ones. And then for the wire, you're going to need to attach plugs onto the ends of those. Clear is the most popular one because it works great with any color of wire. And we've got 2 packs of male plugs and 2 packs of female plugs. Always good to add a little bit of dielectric grease on there because it will reduce any chances of callbacks related to tripped GFIs. And then if you're working on some really intricate trees with those mini lights up there, again, this person has chosen to use the mini light strings with coaxial plugs. We'll include some 3 taps as well, so you can run the lights up different branches. If you're using mini lights with standard plugs, you won't need these or these adapters because they just use regular type of plugs. All right, so this bundle allows you to get a great start in the business. It will earn you about $25,000 in revenue without having to think too hard about what you're going to need to achieve that number. If your goal is, say, $50,000, well, then you can consider getting maybe a couple of these bundles as well. But a great place to start is with a 10-home bundle like this, and you'll be ready to tackle all those inquiries that you're going to get.